Hi guys, Piotr here, Litefinance Global YouTube channel. It's my pleasure to be with you again, and yeah, of course, we are going to discuss the crypto markets. And well, most probably, if you are going to watch this video, is going to be the beginning of the new month. I'm recording this one on Saturday, 30th of October 2021. So it's going to be quite important. If you are going to watch that one, you have to adjust where we are going to get the monthly close, right? So in that case, guys, quite important. In that case, what we are looking for is monthly chart, red color. There you go. Well, what is so important here? This swing high, right? If you do remember educational videos, that's what we are talking about. So Bitcoin hit the new high compared to this swing high, but I'm going to watching closely to where we are going to get the close. If we are going to get the close below that high, right? Let's have a look what we have here. That's the March 2021, right? Beginning of the year. The whole first quarter, March, February, January, the whole quarter was strong. We've seen the pullback, yearly open, and we see retest. Now, all right, so we know where we are, right? Guys, if we are going to get the close below that line, that's gonna be very, very significant. Why? Because I'm going to look in the short term to sell this type of the rally with the stop above this month high, right? What's gonna be my target? Well, my target is going to be around 52 and then around 50 and then again 48, right? That zone is going to be my target. But if you are going to watch this video and we are going to be on a monthly close tomorrow, Wednesday, if you are going to be above the swing high, right, this type of the pullback and rally could be name of the game. All right, let's have a look what we have on the weekly chart. There you go. Weekly chart. As you can see, that's swing, right? That's the important level, but we are not looking for the high over here. All right, we are looking for what? On a weekly basis, the guys from the long side, they have to fight for the weekly close above, well, similar level what we have on a monthly chart. So what do we want to see? Higher close, right? We need to have very high close. Doesn't look good, but anyway, if we are going to fail, what's the next when it comes to the buyers? There you go. There you go. 52. Didn't we talk about this a second ago? 52, there we go. 52, there we go. Anyway, if you are going to manage to get the close above, right, then 60 is name of the game for the bulls. Otherwise, 52, 48, swing low, 44, and then latest weakness, 40, and then again 36. That's the levels of the demand when it comes to the weekly chart. All right, let's switch lower. There you go. Daily. Okay, so what do we have? Well, on a daily chart, it's not that great, to be honest with you. Why? Because we have this wave to the downside, right? Then we have again high equal waves, right? So down, boom, rally, boom, down, boom, equal waves, Riley, boom. If we are going to go that way, from the daily chart perspective, if you are a bull, you are watching this demand zone. That one, right? Cool. That one. 56 on a daily chart. And then, of course, if you are a conservative bull, this consolidation, so you are looking for, again, what? 50k, yes. Let's have a look what we have on the Ethereum. There you go. Boom. Let's start with monthly. Oh my. New high when it comes to the Ether. Now, from the fundamental perspective, you have to take into the consideration that, well, what we produce as miners, right? How many Ethers, and then when it comes to the burning, well, to be honest with you, we are crossing the line in the sun, meaning that we are burning more than we are producing. That could be significant. Now, okay, that's fundamentals. Now, we do know when it comes to the stock market that fundamentals not always are playing the big role. All right, so in case of the deep pullback, when it comes to the monthly chart, the Ether very, very significant, strong, huge. I don't know how we can call it, right? But based on the monthly chart, if we are going to see the pullback, then 3000 is the name of the game. If we are going to break 3000, then 1750 is the next name of the game. That's the huge developments, right? Now, if we are looking for upside targets when it comes to the Ethereum, right? What we are going to take into the consideration, this zone, right? We are talking about almost 1250, right? In that case, we are talking about the current levels as the first target. That's why, for me personally, this upper shadow we are building on a monthly chart is not a surprise. But there is another but, right? Always we have plenty of buts. Okay, let's have a look what I'm talking about. In that case, we are talking about from where we made new high and how big the pullback before new high been. So we are taking into consideration this move to the downside, right? Boom. Now we are taking over the course of this move to the upside, we are taking into consideration the pullback. There you go. All right, watch carefully. In that case, we are making the prediction of 5,500, 6,000 as a next possible target. Now you have to listen carefully as long as we are above 3,200, 2,800. That's the key, right? As long as we are above this month low, we do have a chance to move towards 6,000. Boom. That's the thing based on the monthly chart. When it comes to Ether, let's have a look what we have on the weekly chart. There you go. It's even better. Okay. Weekly. That's the blue color for me. That's the latest swing high. Boom. Pullback, right? We were not able to break through this swing high, but we've seen shallow pullback. So how high can we go based on the weekly chart? All right, let's have a look what we have here. Pullback. Riley. Alright, this zone over here, can you see? So let's have a look from the very bottom of that one, how high can we go based on the weekly chart. 5,250, there you go. Or after the breakout even higher, where 6,000. Boom! We are targeting 5,500, 6,000 when it comes to the Ether based on the monthly and the weekly chart, ladies and gents. Well, alright, let's switch lower. Let's have a look what we have on a daily. And we are done today. Boom. Alright, when it comes to daily, plenty of different things, right? What is most important that right now 3,500 on a daily and 3,000 based on a weekly and monthly, that's the huge demand level, right? Okay, but let's have a look what we have when it comes to the latest rallies. How high can we go? There you go. Boom. Where we are, very close. Again, from daily chart perspective, 5,000, 6,000, monthly, weekly, and daily. Be careful, guys. As long as we are above 3.5 and 3,000, we are good to go higher. Guys, I provided to you all levels based on the higher time frames. Monthly, weekly, daily. It was my pleasure to be with you. Take care. Have a great next trading day. See you around. Take care and good night.